Welcome here in Educator Academy. So in Excel, the most difficult part is developer and Visual Basic Code. So I'm going to enter integer value through Visual Basic Code. So first I'm starting here with sub and giving the function name. We can say we're giving the subcategory name is number. I'm going to enter number through this. So this will end automatically. And now I'm going to declare X and so dim x as integer. So this is declaring x is as integer. So x value I'm gonna here enter here 232434. This is my x value, this is integer. So this is actually the long, so maybe it isn't double. So I'm now gonna define the range. So defining range with cell. So cell I'm gonna enter here b2. So in b2 through Visual Basic Code I'm gonna enter integer in b2 cell. For that I'm gonna use double commas and enter here b2 cell, and then close bracket dot value. So close bracket dot value which is given here is value is equal to x. So I am declared already here. So this is x value I'm declared already. So value is equal to x. So now this is actually the our program. Now let's run. Now debug this. So again, so you can see this is too much long value. It is in double. So I'm decrease my value, and you can see after running it is entered automatically. So this is how I'm entering integer through Visual Basic Code. So this is integer I enter. Now I'm gonna enter string value. For that, let me define the structure of string. For that, let me here sub string value. Let me write here string value. So this is I'm defining the string value. Let me write here string. For that string here right here, now I'm writing here x value is actually defined here as strings. For that I'll use double commas. Let me write here the string values for given here Educator Academy. This is my channel. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel. So now let me define. So I'm defining the cell is b2. Let me run this. So let me, you can see this is the string value that I've entered in cell. So this is how I'm entering string value through Visual Basic Code. So now I'm gonna enter some different value. Let me here double. So double contain all the float values, mean commas values, everything, dot fraction value, everything is covered in doubles. For that I'm using here let me run. Now you can see this is too much long value, it is in double. So let me write here dot values. For that I use let me use here float first. So let me use here float. So dot value is covered in float maybe, so it is not coming here. So let me define here double. So maybe it covered in double. So double. So let me write here double and giving here. So now I'm in 23.2342. So this is my x value which is in dot. Let me run here. Now you can see 232342 is entered here. So this is how I'm entering all the integer values. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks.